In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play piano on your MetaQuest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about the two main ways in which you will be able to play piano on your MetaQuest 3. The first one, which I believe is the most convenient option, is going to be available on the MetaQuest store. So this one is going to be a virtual piano with hand tracking. As you can see, it is named Piano Vision, Mixed Reality Piano, and as the title suggests, this is, like I said, a virtual piano where you will be able to use hand tracking to play. This method uses the MetaQuest 3's hand tracking technology to simulate playing on a virtual piano within the headset. So you will be able to acquire this for $9.99 in US dollars, and you will be able to play or simulate playing a piano from within your headset. So this is going to be the most convenient option because it is cheap and you don't require anything else. As long as you are able to go into the MetaQuest store and look for Piano Vision, you will be good to go. So look for Piano Vision from within the MetaQuest store and it should be the first one to pop up. You have some other options as you can see, but this one is by far the best and most optimized experience that you can have to play a piano on your headset. It also works on the MetaQuest Pro and MetaQuest 2. Now, the other option that you have is to connect a MIDI keyboard. You will be able to connect a MIDI keyboard to your MetaQuest 3 via USB cable. This provides a more traditional piano playing experience, and Piano Vision actually also supports MIDI keyboards. It offers a wider range of songs and features when you are using one. However, like I said, it is going to be a paid solution, and this is only really going to be useful if you already have a MIDI keyboard. If you don't have one laying around, I wouldn't recommend acquiring one for this purpose. But as you can see, to connect your MIDI keyboard, you simply have to use a USB cable from the keyboard to the Quest, and you will be able to connect both. Alternatively, just use the app and you will be able to play using hand tracking. I hope I was able to help you on how to play piano on MetaQuest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.